Hey, history buffs. Ever wondered how something as simple as an egg went from a caveman's survival food to your breakfast staple? Buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a journey through time and taste. Picture this. Tens of thousands of years ago, our early human ancestors were scavenging for food in the wild. Eggs, nestled in bird nests, became an easy and nutritious target. Rich in protein and essential nutrients, these little orbs were a game changer for prehistoric diets. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, around 1400 BCE. Egyptians not only domesticated fowl, but were also among the first to incubate eggs artificially. Talk about innovation. They had these elaborate incubators called hatching ovens that could hatch thousands of eggs at a time. And you thought your oven was impressive. Now, let's hop over to ancient Rome. Romans were egg enthusiasts. They had a saying, ab ovo usque ad mala, meaning from eggs to apples, indicating eggs were a vital part of their meals, from start to finish. They even created the first omelets, called ovomeal. The Middle Ages saw eggs as a staple in European diets. Monks, in particular, loved them, except during Lent when they were forbidden. But when Easter arrived, boy did they celebrate with eggs. This tradition eventually led to the creation of decorated Easter eggs. By the time we get to the Renaissance, eggs had become a culinary star. Cooks experimented with various egg dishes, and the French, of course, perfected the art of the omelette. Bon appetit! In the 19th century, with the Industrial Revolution, eggs became more widely available. Refrigeration and transportation advancements meant that eggs could be enjoyed by people far from farms. Today, eggs are everywhere. From your morning scramble to fancy gourmet dishes, they have stood the test of time. They've been boiled, scrambled, poached, and even turned into art. So next time you crack open an egg, remember, you're not just making breakfast. You're partaking in a rich history that spans millennia. Pretty egg-citing, right?
Eggs truly are a superfood.
Why do 90% of health enthusiasts swear by chicken eggs? Let's find out. Chicken eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, they can help you build muscle, boost your brain, and keep you feeling full. One egg has about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which is great for muscle repair and growth. Plus, they contain choline, essential for brain health and memory. Worried about cholesterol? Studies show that for most people, eating eggs doesn't raise cholesterol levels. In fact, they can improve your good cholesterol. Eggs are also super versatile. You can boil, scramble, fry, or bake them. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or enjoy them on their own. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and delicious option, reach for an egg. Your body will thank you. And remember, choosing farm-fresh, free-range eggs can make a big difference. Free-range chickens tend to be healthier and produce eggs with higher nutrient content. So for the best quality and taste, opt for free-range eggs whenever possible. Eggs are not just nutritious, but also incredibly easy to cook. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a healthy meal, eggs are an excellent choice.